Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a hijab mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my model's image over here, and the first thing that we will do is to make a selection of the hijab over here. So right click this side and select object selection tool. Nice. So with your object selection tool, just draw around, left click and hold, and then draw around the hijab. It doesn't have to be perfect, just take your time and then draw around, but definitely you make some adjustments to it. So gently draw and then end it at where you started. Now release the left click and then Photoshop will make its calculation and then make the selection for us. Nice. So now Photoshop has make a selection for us, but the selection isn't perfect, so let's refine it. Now hold down the Option or Alt key, place your mouse somewhere here, left click and hold, and then draw around this side. Just draw around this side because we want the selection to be like the selection should be on just the hijab over here. Now release. Let's see Photoshop will make it nice. Now we are left with the face. So hold down the Option or Alt key once again, left click and hold, and then draw around this side. We deselect the face from our main selection. So now let's see what we can see. Perfect. So this is looking great. Now let's expand our selection a little bit. So select the move tool, then click on select, modify, and click on expand. Over here, let's expand it with an expand value of just 1 pixel, and then click on OK. Nice. So now press Command G or Control G to cut out the hijab. So you see that this is the hijab that we've cut out. Let's convert our hijab into a smart object. So right click and select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Over here, let's set the radius value to 3.0 pixels and then click on OK. With this done, go to File, Save As, and then save it as a displacement. So you see that with mine, I've already saved it as displacement. So I won't save mine over here, but with yours, change the name to displacement and then save it. Once you've saved it, let's delete our Gaussian blur. So let's delete it. Nice. Now let's import our pattern. So I'll left click and hold and then drag my pattern onto my Photoshop worksheet. Then before I press Command T, I'll reduce the opacity a little bit so that I can see through my pattern design. Now press Command T or Control T and then resize the pattern image. So make sure it fits the hijab over here. Now this is okay for me. So what I'll do is I'll push the opacity all the way back to 100 again. Then I'll right click on my pattern image and select Create Clipping Mask. With that done, I'll change its blend mode from normal to multiply. This is great. And after changing its blend mode from normal to multiply, now what we do is go to Filter, select Distort, and then select Displacement. Over here, let's set the horizontal scale to 20. Let's set the vertical scale to 20. Make sure Stretch to Fit is active, and then under the undefined areas, check the wrap around, and then this side has to be default. Then click on OK. So when you click on OK, Photoshop will ask you to open a PSD file. So in this case, we will open our displacement file. So select the displacement Photoshop file and then click on open. Nice. So let's see that there have been some changes over here. Nice. So now, with our pattern image selected, go to FX and select blending options. So over here, we'll be working with the underlying layer. So with the underlying layer, you'll be working with the white side. So hold down your Option or Alt key and left click once to split it. Now push it to the left side. So when pushing, check this value. Let's place ours on 225. So let's see. Nice. So it's that we've been able to place ours on 225, and then just click on OK. Okay guys, so here is how to make a hijab mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.